here, and today we are making Crock-Pot pizza keto style. That's right, no crust, and don't worry, you're not gonna miss it. I promise you that. Any of your favorite pizza toppings are gonna go directly into this Crock-Pot for about 3 to 4 hours, and you're gonna be good to go for dinner, and it does feed a crowd. So that is always a plus as well. Now, you will start off with your favorite keto sauce, which this is mine. And then you are going to layer your Crock-Pot full of your toppings. I have Italian sausage, pepperoni. I like everything on my pizza. I am a supreme type of girl, so I like green peppers, red peppers, a little bit of onions because they are a little higher in carbs, so I only do about half of an onion, and then also mushrooms. So we will start layering. I always buy the smaller pepperonis. So I have a mozzarella provolone shredded, and I sprinkle about a half a cup of cheese. And then we are going to add more sauce. Let me give you a closer look. So now that my toppings are in here, I'm going to finalize it with sliced provolone cheese. I'm gonna let this cook on low for about 3 to 4 hours, and then we will be back and I'll show you the results. So take a look, see? Look at that. That provolone cheese helps it tremendously. Alright guys, so the pizza Crock-Pot is ready to go. I hope you guys enjoy it as much as we do here, because this is a weekly meal requested here at our house. So enjoy.